Over the past week, the number of confirmed COVID-19 cases in Brant have settled, and we've experienced a much more gradual increase. While it is important to be cautiously optimistic at this point, we must keep in mind that it is not over yet. Due to COVID-19's prolonged clinical course, we are still experiencing hospitalizations, critical cases, and unfortunately deaths. This pandemic is proving to be like a marathon, and we are all just at the beginning of the race. But just as any athlete would, Brant has and continues to prepare for the road ahead. By washing our hands, physical distancing, and staying at home, our community has shown a collective commitment to these essential efforts. Doing so means we'll all reach the finish line together and healthy. New directives were recently released surrounding the personal use of masks and face coverings. Consider using a face covering, meaning a non-medical mask such as a cloth mask or a bandana, to reduce the risk of transmission of COVID-19 in areas where physical distancing may be challenging or not possible, such as public transit, smaller grocery stores or pharmacies, or when you're receiving essential services. If you choose to wear a face covering while out in public, be sure to wash your hands both before and immediately after using the face covering. Continue to avoid touching your face or the face covering itself while in use. Wash cloth masks frequently and safely dispose of disposable masks in the garbage. It is important to remember that wearing a mask is not a replacement for other preventative measures. Face coverings will not protect you from getting COVID-19. Physical distancing, frequent hand washing, and staying at home as much as possible are still the best defense against the transmission of COVID-19 in the community.